I actually, tried that recently and it was delicioso. So I said, I will make it. So I have my instant coffee that I will be using. I found the cookie butter creamer. I got my milk. I got my whipped cream. I got my Biscoff cookie. You know it. And then you also know you need the Biscoff cream. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I'm going to get started. Okay, I'm going to take some of my instant coffee. Probably like 2 tablespoons. Please make sure it's instant. Alright, 2 tablespoons. This cookie butter, room temperature. Alright, now I'm gonna put a little bit of creamer, just a little bit. And I'm just gonna mix it up. I should have put it in like a blender or something. Okay, it's mixing pretty good if I keep mixing it. However, I still want to make sure I incorporate these coffee grinds real good. So I'm gonna put it inside of my processor. If you got a blender, whatever, go ahead and do that. Some people use a frother. I don't have one. Okay, I blended it up. I can definitely taste that coffee and that cookie butter is good. However, it needs to be more sweet for me, baby. So I'm adding some brown sugar. If you don't want yours super sweet, then, by all means. But I like mine sweet. I like sweet coffee. That's probably like a tablespoon. Yeah, or another tablespoon. I'm going to go ahead and mix this again. So much better. Put that to the side. Okay, I have my cup I'm going to use. I had melted some more of this cookie butter. I'm just going to like drizzle a little bit around. I'll add the ice. I'm going to crush a cookie. Because with Dunkin' Donuts, they have like pieces of cookie you can like drink through the straw. Okay. Kind of big, but hey, I got some pieces in there. I'm going to take my ice now and put it in there. So now I'm going to add in my milk. Not much. Then I'm adding some creamer, more creamer. You don't want this sweet, baby. Thought I was joking. Alright, now I'm going to add in my coffee mixture. Okay, I'm adding some more milk. And then some more creamer. I'm going to take my whipped cream. This is non-dairy, but you can use dairy if you want to. I really can because everything else is dairy. Stick it on the side. Well, I guess on both sides. It's probably good enough. Oh no, you gotta overdo it, girl. Put it on the side. Yes, y'all. Hey, y'all. I'm about to get to this drink. Whew. Alright, I got a big straw. Because this is a big drink. Get you right up. I think Dunkin' Donuts will be happy with me. Happy with what I accomplished. I know my stomach is. Yeah, this is good. Not overly sweet. How I thought it, probably you thought it would be. It's just like the cookie butter. Now I probably do need to add more ice. I did say I like my drinks colder. It cut off for me like it like to do. The ice melted, so I added more ice too. So much better. Dunkin' Donuts, I'm gonna give you one for your money. Cause I already am dead, really. It's a 10. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel. And please, hit this recipe up.